A flat Earth? Are you kidding me? If the Earth is flat, then how does the water not fall off the edge? Well, simple. There's an Antarctic ring around the oceans holding it in.
Here we go again. I feel the chemicals kicking in.
200-foot high wall going around the whole Earth. Captain Cook, I think it was him, did an expedition around it, and it was like 60,000 miles in circumference. So the little continent of Antarctica on the globe model is not 60,000 miles around.
No shit, Sherlock!
Ice walls. What surrounds the Earth? What holds the oceans in? Makes sense to me if you think about it.
Curtis, what do you think?
Oh, now you know I ain't allowed to think.
Why else would this be here? Because it makes sense if you think about it.
That just makes no fucking sense. I mean, it's just bullshit. Fuck. Oh my.
Here's another thing. A lot of you people are trying to say, oh, well, they're gonna have they have the Navy patrolling the South Pole. So, if you guys think that the South Pole is 360 degrees around us, then how do they have the Navy patrolling the South Pole 24 hours a day? And the fact of the matter is that they don't.
No shit, Sherlock!
Real quick, I want to address the idea of the ice wall. And when we say the ice wall, what we mean by that. A lot of the people who are skeptical are saying, if there's this great ice wall, how come there's no pictures of it?
That's a good question.
Well, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of pictures of the ice walls.
Where are they?
We're not talking about the exterior part of Antarctica. We're talking about the coast. Just the ice that surrounds the water, the container of the Earth. The ice wall, it varies in height. It gets as high as about 2 miles at some places. I think it averages maybe a half-mile high. This is the container that holds the world's oceans in.
Are you fucking kidding me?
There's no wall. There's no glass dome. You're not going to find anything.
I'm an idiot. Finally, something we can agree on.
Eventually, you're going to go so far that you reach absolute zero temperatures and absolute darkness. What are you going to do when you get all the way out there? There's going to be nowhere to go. You're not going to be able to do anything. Okay, so there's no wall. If you look at the logo for the Scientific Committee on Antarctic Research, SCAR, you see how they have the Antarctic continent in blue with white surrounding the blue. So if you look at the negative space, this almost looks like an ice wall surrounding a pond of ocean.
You don't know what you're talking about, do you?